Welcome back to our four-part series. Today we're going to go over screen number 3. So this is screen number 3. This is our color selection screen. If you can see here on the left side, this is our color order that we have. If you notice, there's actually 5 different color changes that we have on here. And we can go through this menu here. Say if we were to do a different design, we could choose different colors that will match up with what we have here in our color order. But what we have here is it's actually matched up right, so our design looks nice. But say for instance you get a new spool of thread and you want to replace it, we can put it, once we put it on our machine, we can go to this menu here and find which color out of each of these that we changed, and we can go through these different colors and change it. For instance, our needle number 1 is actually a green color instead of a purple. So we have needle number 1 selected. If I hit this green color here, it's going to change that color to match what we have on our machine. And if you notice, it also moved over automatically. So if we're changing out multiple needles, it's going to scroll through these individually as you change the colors. So it makes it kind of like a quick process. So once we have all of our colors set up here, we can go back to our original screen here and just match up the colors that we want on here. So thankfully we have them matched up already, so we can go ahead and move on to screen number 4.